She's back.
So, welcome back. She is back. Anastasia is back to her channel finally. It's been 1 year. I haven't show up and I really miss you. And today we will get back on our straight to the point subjects about holistic lifestyle. How does it impact you, your life, your mindset, the way you feel inside your body, which is basically your home. It's not a destination. How do you feel inside yourself? And today I want to speak with you about crucial subject, which is my, I think, in the latest months or even years, it's the most precise subject to discuss with the friends, with clients, with family about your body as a physical body, and that it never lies. There's a quote, beautiful quote, follow your heart in your life, but there's also underestimated quote that you need to follow also your body, because it always signals you the right answers. It also signals you the right connection to be made or ignore it, what you don't need in your life. It's also signals, it's lingering in your body, but you happen to be too distracted with all the noise that's happening in the world, in your life, with all the gadgets, notifications, and you ignored all these notifications that coming towards you through your body. So today we want to discuss about, I have my notes to keep it all on point, to not miss anything, and we will discuss about body that is never lies to you. You just need to listen. And I wanted to share with you basic things. So, for example, you now listen to this video, you are driving, you are in your kitchen, you do your stuff, and just close your eyes quickly and pay attention. What do you feel in your body? First of all, what is your posture? So, for example, if your posture is this way, and you know you are all over the place, you feel pain in your chest, in your back, which is obviously, I wouldn't find many people after 25, I think now even early on, that wouldn't complain about the body pain. So it's all signals. It's not because you have a bad posture only, because at the first place, your bad posture, it's been created by certain circumstances been happening in your life. So if you dedicate the time to scan your body, to feel how do you feel inside yourself, you would be able to recognize these patterns. You would be able to recognize the signals from your body, how to navigate your decision-making process. So, for example, back to the posture thing, I want to share with you. So, for example, even when you are working on your laptop, in your office, at home, especially on your phone, like when I'm traveling, when I see people in the office, in a cafe, in a restaurant, they all scramble all over the phone. So basically this way, like they all the way down. I mean, I'm exaggerating a little bit. There is not 100% doing this way, but more or less it's this way. You are rounding, and the neck pressure and the head pressure. There are so many acupuncture points that disturb your balance, that disturbs the blood flow, that disturb your lymphatic flow in your body, and that's why you build up the pressure even more. Besides the things that are happening in your life on a physical, emotional, and mental levels. So close your eyes and feel, how do I feel in my body? Even something happen in your day, someone make you angry, someone make you upset, something piss you off. Feel where it is allocated in your body. You know, just navigate as a Google map in your body. Where do I feel it? How does it feel it? Is it itchy? Is it bloating? Even bloating, indigestion, being fatigued, depression, it's all accumulation of the signals that your body give it to you, but you ignore. And it's not the thing of today's words that there is always a quick fix. You go, you know, you research on a Google, on a ChatGPT, what can I do quickly to fix it? Or you go to a pharmacy and you buy the pill to remove your headache, to remove the indigestion. But you suppressing, you kind of putting this all under the carpet, and body get really upset because it signals you that there is something wrong happening here and you keep ignoring. I'm sending you a headache, I'm sending you an inflammation, I'm sending you a flu, I'm sending you some big disease. You know, the cancer doesn't happen overnight. It's also accumulation of these emotional, physical disbalance that happening in your life, and body keep flashing, asking for the help, but you ignore and you do not recognize this. And then you just tend to go for a quick fix, to go to see the doctor, to go and get some prescription, and this is it. At the other side, where you follow a natural lifestyle, when you follow a holistic lifestyle. What does it mean? Does it mean diet? No. Does it mean that you just eat veggies? This is it? No. It means that you in balance with your mind, body, and soul. What does it mean? Your physical body. You are able to recognize the signals from your body. So if you have indigestion, if you have a bloating, it's not just because the period is coming up if you're a woman, or it's just not because you ate something bad or not fresh. There is something tempt you to this place. If you choose to numb yourself with overeating, with alcohol infusion, with smoking something, so it's all start with some signals. And why do you start this in the first place? You need to recognize the patterns, the emotion. Why do you lead to this place to choose this suppression? And then when you are able to recognize, when you're able to take a moment to step it back, scan at your body, why do I feel this way? Why do I feel suddenly that I want to have the box of chocolate? What is it happening in this space? Oh, maybe it's because of this. And it's not actually maybe, you know clearly. It's just like the pattern of being in a cycle, continuously lying to yourself that I live once, I want to have this, I want to treat myself with a nice cake, I want to treat myself with a nice brunch with friends. It's not a treatment. It's you investing very openly in their not successful, not healthy version of yourself. And doesn't mean that you need to just scan your body and do nothing for you and eat again like simple plain food. There is beautiful recipes that you can eat, enjoy yourself and feel great in your body, with every cell of your body, in the flesh, in bone, in digestion, the way you feel in your mind, the clarity, the absence of any fogginess, the decision making process. And it's all not again coming from a one pill. It is a discipline. It is a discipline to prioritize your health, to go to bed early, to wake up early, to hydrate yourself well, to have a regular bowel movement, to eat colorful food. It doesn't mean that you need to eat like, okay, 1200 calories or 1500 calories a day. It's about for you to recognize what your body feels. Particularly for women, when you go through your period, when you go through your pregnancy, when you go through the postpartum, your body always signals you what it wants, what it needs. It needs extra magnesium, it needs extra fat. But it's not like, oh, I feel like I want to have a chocolate. It's not about that you need to go and buy a big cake and eat it in one sit. You can also, if you are sweet tooth, you can buy yourself a dark chocolate, have a one piece of it, and it would be enough for you because it's dark. It's not so much of processed food, especially if you choose a good quality of chocolate. You are done. You are also can choose a rich magnesium food items like almonds. Again, we don't go in the subject, it's more nutrition. We can create another video for this, but there is always a recognition, because if you want to just quickly numb yourself with McDonald's, KFC, chocolate, ice cream, box of, I don't know, smoking, alcohol, it's all about numbing something that your body signals to you. So basically, your body running an alarm that there is something wrong, see me, help me out, and you just give this, I don't know, portion of something, of a quick dopamine, of a quick satisfaction. And there is goes not only food and alcohol and drinks, there is also goes a going out and being with someone just to not be alone, and having an, I don't know, I mean, I know, to have sex, to have outing, to have watching a Netflix. It's about something that you do not want to stay with yourself. Be alone. Scan yourself. Ask yourself a question. What's happening? Help me out to recognize, help me out to find it out. And it's not that you become your own doctor and you just prescribe yourself a subscription. It's about recognizing the patterns. It's about recognizing how can I heal myself. And again, to go by yourself would take you some time. You can educate yourself through several courses. What I offer for you to come on board with me, we'll have onboarding process. We can have a one-on-one bespoke program because there's no one fix for everyone. There's someone coming from a different background, someone coming with a different story. Again, age, the body structure, the hormonal form, it's all impacting where you are today. And it's investment in your health as a holistic foundation, which can help you shape this profound, healthy, and strong foundation, which would give you ability to pursue the career you want, to pursue the relationship you want, to pursue yourself, the better version of yourself, not just to become a better version of yourself, but to unleash all the unnecessary layers that you accumulated throughout the life till this very current day. And when you recognize this, you would be like, wow, what I was waiting for. So here's the process, just to understand what is your body signals, where is the anger, where it is that inflammation happens, why does it happen. And there's for every single sickness, flu, headache, there's always a psychosomatic underlying, and it means that body signals to you, help me, resolve this. Do not lie to yourself. Do not put the issue under the carpet, because elsewhere, if you do not address, if you just take a quick fix, quick peel, you didn't fix it. Later on, it will come back and slap you hardly on your face, and 100% you will regret it. So sooner or later, just face it. Be honest with yourself. Be honest with your emotional luggage and resolve it. Resolve those situations. Let it go. Understand your body. Understand the signals. And then you will see that life is pretty easy to navigate. It is enjoyable. It is fun. And to navigate the process, to wake up every single day and do something meaningful for yourself, to have this discipline, to enjoy your workout, enjoy your food, creation process, to share all of this, because it starts everything with you, and then you share this with your friends, with your partner, with your family, with your kids, and then you create this healthy community. So to say that, oh, I cannot change the world because it's all collapsing, you start change with you, and then you influence others, the closest towards you, and then it can also implement to your colleague, your employment, your employees, etc., your neighbors. As open as you are, the people would see this glow from inside you, and you wouldn't be able to do anything you want to share. So I invite you to join me on this path to follow holistic lifestyle. You can join me on the one-on-one session. You can join me on a Telegram channel where we do the regular checkups, the self-massage rituals. You can subscribe for the membership. And I also invite you to join me for the upcoming retreats in 2025 to know more about it, where you can go together with me on a spiritual and transformational process, and with like-minded people to have this journey and have the lasting results that would change your life, no matter where you are today, no matter what is your age. It's all in your head. You can always change the navigation of your life and live the better, the way you desire in your dreams, but you fear. I will help you to remove this fear and help you to live the life that would be brighten up you and the people around you. So send me a message, send me a DM, you can send me an email, you can find me on Instagram. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. So I want to get back, I want to see you, and I want to see more subjects from you which you are interested for me to discuss for you. You can share it in the comments, and I will see you very soon. Ciao.